How should one build an angel portfolio if they are starting from zero investments?
Angel investing should be looked at least from a 4 to 5 year period from a portfolio construction perspective. People and angels that I've met in the ecosystem sometimes have often had this experience, and this was my experience also. Hence, I'm able to share this learning that the first few bets that you end up making, sometimes you over index on those bets. And you think that these one or two founders really know everything and they are the ones who are going to crack it. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. We are all living under a power law. The universality of power law becomes even more real in the angel and venture world. To be able to get to the 1% outcomes, you will have to have access to 100% of the deals to be able to see where the best quality of deals are coming from. And do I have access to those deals or not? And it takes a while to even realize that do you have the access to best quality deals or not? Because typically we are all living in our bubbles and we sometimes think that whatever opportunity is coming to me is potentially the best opportunity in the ecosystem. But that's almost never the case. And to be able to get to the best quality deal flow, you typically need to build your portfolio, need to build your brand even to be able to attract the best quality of founders. And that only happens over a 4 to 5 year period. It's not something that you will get instantly unless you already are a founder and you have those connects or very organically over a period of time for most people. So what I tell people is that you build your portfolio over 4 to 5 years, invest in at least 15 to 20 companies to be able to really find one or two outliers that make your entire portfolio and give you the returns that you would want to get, because most people don't understand that they won't be able to access those same returns say with a 3 to 5 startup portfolio. They need to at least diversify across say 15, 20 companies to be able to find these outliers. That's the biggest secret that has been powering the venture capital world, and I think and now it's become more accessible to people with platforms like say AngelList, Let's Venture. Angel investing has truly become democratized. To be able to know where you're getting your best quality of deals from, are those founders the best team that can potentially win in this market? Those are some of the softer things to understand. But yeah, from a portfolio construction perspective, look at diversification, look at doing it over a 4 to 5 year period rather than taking large bets as soon as you start.